Somebody mention birds? Hey there birdies, and welcome back to the channel once again. And what do we have today? Well, this little cutie is an orange-bellied flowerpecker. And what a smart looking little bird he is. And obviously he's a he's a male. You can tell by the coloration. No messing about here then. Anyway, the orange-bellied flowerpecker is a resident breeding bird here, but mainly found in the south, and this location in Peterborough is probably pretty much the furthest north you'll find this species. Here we see a female bird, so doesn't have the bright orange coloration and the slaty blue back, but still a cool looking bird nonetheless. Anyway, this pair had two young birds together with them, and we'll see them feeding in a moment. So here you can see a juvenile male, obviously one of this year's brood, and you can see the orange is just starting to come through on his breast and his back. Here again you can see the female having a quick feed before being interrupted by a juvenile that needed feeding. Again, quite strange to see it taking food on the wing there. And again, this one we can see is a juvenile male bird. If you saw that quickly, you saw the orange flashes just starting to appear on his breast. So here she is again, getting a bit of peace and quiet for a minute and having her breakfast or lunch. Now, I don't really know much about bird poop, but I do know that what they eat usually resembles what comes out in defecation. Certainly can be with colour with fruit eaters. But just looking at this male, watch when he defecates, and it just looks like a clear liquid. If anybody has any thoughts or comments on this, please let me know. And as always, here goes with the eBird description. Bright and colourful male is difficult to miss. Bright greyish blue with yellow or orange underparts, depending on the subspecies, and a small orange splotch. What's a splotch? On the back. Female is comparatively duller, but her yellow suffused underparts and rump are quite distinctive. Like other flowerpeckers, they forage actively, often hovering in front of blossoms or while gleaning from foliage. They like to inhabit forest edges, less common in dense forest, from lowlands up to foothills, and often quite close to human habitation. They give off a variety of buzzy or sharp notes. And in saying that, as always, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Here we see another bulbul pushing to the front of the food queue, and this time it's stripe-throated. Anyway, that's all for now on this little video, this time the orange-bellied flowerpecker. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the usual, and don't forget to check out below a few of the products that we now have in the little merch store. A few t-shirts, a few mugs, and of course the super hide hides. Right, that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.